Okay, in this segment we will create a dartboard by inscribing a circle within a square and hone in on the sector within quadrant 1 as our dartboard. I'd like you to open up GeoGebra now. Now GeoGebra is a computer algebra system. Basically you can do geometry problems and algebra problems. And it also has a spreadsheet functionality. So it's really interesting software. We're going to get a little familiar with it today. We're going to create a dartboard. So first we'll create a square and we'll inscribe a circle within a square. Let's create points for our square. I want you to enter this values in this input area right here in this field right here on the bottom of the screen. We'll enter 1, comma 1, using parentheses, negative 1, 1, parentheses, 1, negative 1, and parentheses, negative 1, negative 1. So notice we have 4 quadrants, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're going to connect these points with line segments. So I want you to click the line button and click segment between 2 points. Now I want you to connect each of these 2 points to make a square. Okay, great. Now click the move button and I want you to change the thickness of these squares, or excuse me, of these line segments. Just right click and then click Object Properties and then click you can change the color and the style. You can change the line thickness and close. There we have it. Now I want you to zoom in a little bit on this square. So click the Move Graphics View button. Just drag and zoom in, have it centered. Now we're going to create concentric circles around the origin. So click the circle button. And before we do that, let's go ahead and create one more square right here in this quadrant, because that's the part of the circle which we will specify as our dartboard. So I'm going to go ahead and create a point at the origin. 0, 0, and another point at 0, 1, another point at 1, 0. I'm going to connect these points with line segments. And I'm going to go ahead and change the thickness of those points using the Move button. Object Properties, 13, Recent Color. Okay, now we're going to create our concentric circles. Click the circle button, and you want to click Circle with Center and Radius button. So you're going to click in this area and drag to the origin to create a circle. If you make a mistake, just click Undo and try again. And then here you just enter the radius 1, and then we'll create other circles with increments of 0.2. So 0.2 radius, 0.4 radius, 0.6 radius, and 0.8. Enter. So we have a total of 5 circles. I want you to go ahead and change the properties of these circles. So just click the Move button and select these circles using Control to select more than one circle. Right click the circle, object properties, make it red, and line thickness maximum, and I'm going to change the opacity a little bit to 0.25. Okay. Okay. So now I want you to answer a few questions. Write each of these questions down. I want you to give me the area of this outer square. I want you to use formulas to represent the area of the outer square. I want you to show me the area of this smaller square in the quadrant 1. And I want you to show me the area of each of these concentric circles. And use formulas to represent the area for the squares and the area for the circles. Okay? And that concludes our dartboard. But also zoom in on the upper right hand quadrant, because that's where most of our work will be occurring. Use the move button, of course.